Importance of tracking income in small business. As a small business owner, it is essential that you track your income, and it will be of benefit to you. It is of importance with the following. Number one, it will help you in managing the finances of your business effectively. Number two, it will help you in knowing the state of the financial health of your business. Number three, it will also help you in meeting your tax obligations as they arise. And lastly, it will ensure that you make informed decisions that will help the future of your business. As a small business owner, it is very, very crucial and important for you to track your income. Thank you.